Hey guys, Organized Alaina, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first video, hey, I'm Alaina and I do life and money organization videos. If that interests you, then make sure that you hit that subscribe button, as I would love for you to be a part of our little family. Today's video is going to be a reading plan with me. I haven't done one of these since July, I believe, and I think I've only done 2 on my channel, but the last one I did was back in July, and it was on Dave Ramsey's Total Money Makeover. If you did not see this one, I will link it above so that you can watch this video after that one. But I mainly like to keep track in my reading planner, like what I'm currently reading, and put all the highlights in my planner. I haven't been keeping track of everything, but I'm trying to change that, and it's mostly because I'm reading so many different things throughout the week that a lot of times when it comes down to like documenting it, I just don't keep good track, but I do want to get better with that. So this week's book is going to be You Need a Budget. As a financial coach, a lot of the books that I read are on finances. You Need a Budget, and I think the last one I did, the Dave Ramsey one, and then before that was Worth It, and they've all been financial books because that's what I gravitate towards. I love to learn more about my field. So this is the book that we're doing this week. I have already finished the book. I actually finished it a couple of weeks ago, but like I said, the date kind of don't matter. It's just kind of, I just pick the date of whenever I decide to document it, but I just like to keep it in a planner form because I just love the format. I tried to do a journal, but it didn't really work out as well. So I created these stickers for this reading plan with me, and this is just the book cover, and along with the 4 rules. If you've ever read the book, it's really big on talking about the 4 rules of budgeting, and so I'm going to document the 4 rules on this plan with me, and I also made a couple of other stickers just to add to this spread. I'm going to be using this. I'm also going to be using some pens. I did pull out a couple of colored pens. These are the Papermate Ink Joy Gel Pens 0.7. And I also pulled out some sticker books. These are the colorful boxes and the rainbow book. So we'll see what I kind of all put together. But let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing I've done here is added all of the stickers that I personally created, and now I'm just flipping through the actual sticker books to see what I'm going to use from there. From the colorful boxes, I just put in the orange box, and I put it down very crooked, so I had to actually straighten it out. But now I'm going to write in the 4 rules, which is the main basis of this book. The rule number 1 is to give every dollar a job. So as soon as money comes in, as soon as you receive it, as soon as it direct deposits into your bank account, you need to decide what you're going to do with that money. The great thing I love about this book is that it doesn't tell you what you have to do. Like, it does give some suggestions as far as you know, how to you should pay yourself first and then pay your bills whatsoever, but it does not say you have to stick to certain percentages or you have to do a certain thing with your money. It leaves that up to you, but it does tell you to give every dollar a job. Make sure that you know exactly what you're going to do with money as it comes in. Rule number 2 is to embrace your true expenses. Now, I've seen this a lot with a lot of my financial clients. They will write down a written budget, but what they actually do does not really reflect what the budget says. So that is a big no. It doesn't make any sense to write all these numbers down if you're not actually doing what the budget says. So it's just to be honest with yourself and really write down what you're actually spending your money on, and make sure that you know that you're going to be able to stick to your true expenses. Rule number 3 is to roll with the punches. He has a story in rule number 3 that I really like, and it basically says, if you plan to take the kids to the beach and it rains, will you take the kids anyway? And the answer is, of course you wouldn't. But a lot of times we, get upset if something goes wrong with our budget and we don't know how to roll with the punches. We just basically have to adjust and keep going. And rule number 4 is my favorite rule, and that's basically to age your money. The goal of this rule is to be paying this month's expenses with last month's money. That's the overall goal. So then that way you're aging your money, and you can say your money is a month old, your money is 2 months old. It's my favorite and the one that I'm looking forward to reaching the most. So that's basically it. I'm gonna let this finish up. I'm just adding in some additional stickers here, and that's it. Okay guys, this is the finished spread, and I really love how all of these colors kind of came together. This was a really great read. I would definitely recommend this book. The 4 rules you can definitely apply to whatever financial plan you are currently working on. I am a financial coach, so I'd like to try and pull as much financial literacy as I possibly can and apply what works for me, and then also recommend certain things to my clients in case something that works for me doesn't work for them. Then maybe they can try another system. So that's it for this reading plan with me. I hope you have enjoyed it. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye guys.